So here we have the Volkswagen Golf 1.4 TSI SE nav on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat and ski hatch. And then underneath this carpet section, we have a space saver spare wheel as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles on this car are 8,526. The information that's displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. Not only is there fuel economy information and a digital readout for the speedometer, but you've got satellite navigation menus, audio menus, phone, and then all the way back round to the beginning again there. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a moment ago are these ones on the right hand side. We've also got voice activation on that side as well, so hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you. That is of course once you've paired up the phone, which is done on the touchscreen in the centre. I'll show you that in a moment. And then on the left hand side we have cruise control with speed limiter. That button in the middle, give that a push once you set the cruise control, and this car can maintain a distance between itself and the car in front. So if the car in front slows down, so will this. If it speeds up, this one will as well, up till the back up to the speed that you set the cruise control at. So really excellent safety feature. Over in the centre we've got the touchscreen radio. So this is where you'd pair your phone, just there amongst other things. So find telephone and pair it from there. When it comes to the radio, there's plenty of ways to listen to it on this car. You've got the DAB digital radio, FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, hit media, and you can see all the different ways in which you can listen to your music there. So there's a CD player, SD memory card slot, USB input. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. I mean, there really are a lot of ways to listen to your music. And of course, this car's got satellite navigation as well. There's a full video showing that working on our website and on our Facebook page as well, in fact. And then we come on to the air conditioning. So temperature is adjustable with this dial, fan speed in the middle, direction of the air over this side. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, so it's on at the moment, or off. You can turn the whole system off straight away from there, fans and everything. Or you can turn it back on by either readjusting the fans or pressing the AC button. Within this cubbyhole section, we've got the USB and auxiliary inputs. A 6-speed manual gearbox. To the right hand side of that we've got this button here, so that will turn on the front parking sensors. Putting the car in reverse will automatically put the reversing sensors and front sensors on, but if you want the front ones on independently, give that button a push. And then over on the left hand side here we've got two buttons. This is for the stop and start, so the car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off, and this mode button will change the setup of the car, so you can put it in eco, normal, sport or individual. If I put it on individual, you can see the things that you are changing there. So for example, you can have sport steering, you can change the drive of the car to sport or eco, and that will change the sensitivity of the accelerator pedal basically. And then the same can be said for all the other modes. So let's say you can either set up your own individual mode or just put it into normal, eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.